Hi, Tom. Is this Tom? Hello, hello, hello. Oh, hello, Tom.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening, good evening, good evening, and welcome again to our class for today. How are you, Tom? Happy
Um,
today?
I'm happy, and you?
I'm also happy. Thank you for asking. Did you already eat? Did you already eat your dinner?
Let
Oh, yes. What did you eat for dinner? What did you eat for dinner? What did you eat? This one.
Bạn đã ăn gì cho bữa tối?
What did you eat for dinner? Did you eat rice? Did you eat
meat.
meat? Meat and rice? Or only meat?
That.
Oh, yes. Oh, let's say I eat rice and meat. I eat rice and meat. So that's very good. That's good to know. Thank you very much, Tom. And are you ready? Oh, actually, we are supposed to be playing a game right now, but Ken is not here. Let me just ask. Will Ken be attending the class today? Because we were supposed to play a game about the lesson that we have. We will play bamboozle. So let me ask first if Kian will attend the class. But first, before we play, Tom, if Kian will attend the class, so we will first review the lesson that we have, which is a story. So we have a story last time, which is all about Are You Okay? Okay, let's say the title. Are you okay? What is our story? What is the name of our story, Tom? What's the name of our story?
Tên câu chuyện
That.
của chúng ta là gì?
Are you okay?
Okay, very good. Are you okay? Good job. So now let's read the things that they said here. So first is ready, set, go. Okay, let's read. Ready,
Go.
set, go.
Go.
Okay, very good. Next, let's read this one. Oh no.
No.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Okay, very good. So as we can see here, Emma Emma got tripped in the dog's, what do you call this? The dog's
Run.
rope. Yes, because the dog runs in front of Emma. And let's take a look. What did Emma said? Emma said, ouch, ouch, ouch. O-
Ouch.
Okay, so we say this. We say ouch if we are hurt. And they asked Emma, what's wrong?
What's wrong?
Okay, we ask this question if we want to know what happened. And Emma answered, my leg hurts. Let's say, my leg hurts.
My leg hurt.
Okay, and the Emma's friend, they asked, are you okay?
Are you okay?
Okay, again, we ask
I
this,
think
I think.
so. Thank you.
Okay, thanks or thank you. Very good. So we ask this question, are you okay? If we want to know if the person who is hurting is okay. And Emma answered, I think so. Thanks. Okay. And next, let's again review the dialogues that we had learned. What's this? How do you read this? Let's read. Ouch. 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 Let's say ouch. 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 Ouch.
Out.
What's wrong?
What's wrong?
My leg hurts.
My leg hurts.
Okay, next. Next is ouch.
Ouch.
What's wrong?
What's wrong?
My
My
hand
hand
hurts.
hurts.
Okay, next. Ouch.
Ouch. What's wrong? My finger
Hurts.
hurts.
Okay, very good. Oh, Ken is there. Yay, we can play bamboozle. Okay, so let's review Ken. Ken. Hello, Ken. Good evening, good evening.
No, Kian.
Oh, Ken is there. Hello, Ken. Ken. Hello, Ken. Ken.
Teacher.
Good evening, Ken. Good evening, good evening.
Kiên ơi, nào bạn Kiên qua đây
Okay,
nào.
we'll play bamboozle. Yay.
So let's
Okay, let's wait for Ken. Ken.
Kiên nhanh lên, cô giáo nhắc nhiều quá rồi đấy. Cô giáo đang gọi con nhiều lắm rồi đấy. Thế con phải xin phép cô giáo đó. Ngồi đây.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Hello, Ken. Good evening. Hello. Good evening and welcome again to our class for today. So how are you today, Ken? Are you happy today?
Yeah.
Yes. Wow. And for this one, so we will first review the lesson that we have last time. So Tom and I already reviewed it, and after this we will play bamboozle. Okay? Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So again, let's review. This is the name of our story. Are you okay?
Are
So,
you okay?
Okay, again, Tom and Kian. What is the name of our story? What's the name of our story?
Yeah. Are you
Ta là
okay?
gì?
Very good. The name of our story is Are You Okay? So now let's read. Let's read again the story from the start. Let's say ready, set, go. Okay, let's read. Ready, set,
Go.
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 Okay, very good. Next is oh no.
Oh no. Oh no.
Ouch.
Ouch.
What's wrong?
What's wrong?
My leg hurts.
My leg hurts.
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
I think so. Thanks.
I think so. Thanks.
Okay, very good. So we also learned last time our dialogue, which is we say this one, we say ouch. Ouch. We say first ouch. Ouch.
Ouch.
What's wrong?
What's wrong?
My leg hurts.
My leg hurts.
Okay, so in here, in this picture, the girl's leg is hurting. So again, in this picture, What body part is hurting?
Bạn đang bị đau ở bộ phận nào trên cơ thể?
What
Chân.
body part? What body part?
My leg. Đầu gấu.
Leg.
My
My leg hurts. Next, for number
Yeah.
for number 2, let's read. Ouch. Yes, very
Ouch.
very good, Tom. Ouch. What's wrong?
What's wrong?
My.
My hand hurts.
Okay, very good. So for this number, what body part is hurting?
Bạn đang bị đau ở bộ phận nào trên cơ thể?
What body part?
Hand.
My. Very good. My hand hurts. And for the last one, before we start our game, so let's read this one. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Let's say ouch. Ouch. What's wrong?
What's wrong? My finger hurts. My finger hurts.
Okay, very good. Now, for this number, what body part is hurting?
Bạn đang bị đau ở bộ phận nào trên cơ thể?
Finger.
Very good. Okay, I can see that you are ready for our game. So now let's check. Let's try. If you wait, let me just open the game. Okay, let's play a game. Let's play. Ah, spin the wheel. Spin the wheel. Okay, so we will first spin the wheel. Who will be the first person to? Who will be team 1? Who will be team 1? Okay. Oh, it's Tom. Team 1 is Tom. Okay. And what do we play? What do we play? Classic Junior? Oh, quiz? Okay. Oh no, I don't want quiz. Let's try classic Junior. Oh, it's still quiz. Okay. So let's play quiz. Okay. Okay, team 1 is B Tom, team B Tom, and team Kian. Okay, choose a number, Tom. What number? Number, Tom. Number?
5.
Number 5. What does Emma's mom say?
What's wrong?
Very good. What's wrong? Okay.
Number
Next.
4.
Number 4? 4? 4, Ken?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, choose. This one. What did the girl said to Emma? Are you okay? I think so. Thanks. Ouch. Ready, set, go. What's wrong? My
Are
leg.
you okay? Dành some thanks.
Wow, very good. Okay, next. Number 10.
Let.
This one?
Đánh bại được Dương.
10.
Mình phải đánh bại được Dương.
Okay, choose. What did this girl said? Ready, set, go. Are you okay? I think so. Thanks. Ouch. What's wrong? My leg hurts. What's the answer? Choose.
Được. Mình ơi.
Okay, very good. So ready, set, Go. 25 points. Next.
9.
Number 9. Okay. Finish. Finish.
Ready, set, go.
Okay, very good. Ready, set, go. So easy. Next.
3.
3.
Quick.
Okay, finish the sentence. Ouch. What's wrong? What's wrong? Ouch. What's wrong? My. What's this? Ouch, ouch. What body part? Oh no.
Leg.
What body part is
My
this?
leg.
My
Good.
leg. Very good. My leg hurts. Okay. Good job. Next. Number Ken. What number, Ken?
1.
Number 1. Okay. What is the name of the
Ready,
story?
set, go. Oh no, ouch. What's wrong?
Okay, first, the question, Ken. What is the name of the story?
Tên của câu chuyện là gì?
Ready, set, go. Oh no, ouch. What's wrong? My
Are you sure?
leg hurts. Are you okay? I think something.
No. What is the name? Ken, what is the name of the story?
Tên của câu chuyện là gì?
What is the name? What is the title of the story?
Tên của câu chuyện là gì?
Are you okay?
Okay. Very good. So that is the title or the name. Okay, next. Next. Number 10? Huh? 8?
Now, Daddy.
This one?
That.
Okay, what does Emma say? What does Emma say?
Ouch.
Very good. Ouch. Next. Number 2. Okay, so look at the picture, Kian. Look at the picture. Choose. Ouch. What's wrong? My leg hurts. Are you okay? I think so. Thanks. Or ready, set, go. So look at the picture.
Ow.
What? What did Emma say?
Ouch.
Okay, let's check. Okay, very good. She said, ouch. Next. Number 7. Okay, what does Emma say? Oh, this is so easy.
Thanks.
Thanks. Very good. Thanks. Next.
Number
Ken.
6.
Number 6. Okay. Finish the sentence. Finish the sentence. What is this?
Ouch.
Ouch.
Yeah. Ouch.
What's wrong?
My leg hurts. Ouch.
Very good. Ouch. Yay. Very good. Next. Number 20. This one? Okay. So look at the picture. So choose. What's wrong? My leg hurts. Ready, set, go.
Ouch.
Ouch. Are you okay? I think so. Thanks. Final answer. Ouch.
Leg.
Look at the picture first. That's your answer. Ouch.
Ouch.
Final answer.
Z.
Oh no. Wrong. Okay, choose another. Choose another answer. What's the answer? What's wrong? My leg hurts. Ready, set, go. Are you okay? I think so. Thanks.
Thanks.
This one? Are you okay? I think
Are
so.
you okay? I
Okay.
think so. Thanks.
Final answer? Oh no, it's still wrong. What's the answer?
What's wrong? Me leg hurts.
Again, let's read this word again. Let's say my, not me. My.
My leg hurts.
Okay, let's check. Very good. So my leg hurts. So 5 points. It's okay. Next.
23.
Huh? 13?
23.
13?
Yes.
Okay, again. This one is 13, not
11.
11 or 13.
11.
Okay. So finish the sentence. What is missing?
What's wrong?
Okay, very good. So easy. Wow.
Yes, that's fast.
Number Tom. What number?
19.
Number 19. Oh, very easy. What does Emma say?
Chưa có tìm người ở đây ấy. My leg tôi cứ làm đi. Mà bên
Okay, let's check.
lần kia này.
Very good. My leg hurts. Next.
Number 20.
Number 13? What number? What number, Ken?
Nhưng đâu có về thì sao?
Ken, what number?
Number 20.
20? 12? 13? We don't have 20.
20.
Huh? 12? This one?
23.
This one is not 23. Let's say 13. 13. Again, Ken. Let's say 13. Let's say,
24.
huh? This is not 24. 14.
24.
Let's say 14.
2014.
14. No 24. 14.
14.
14.
14.
Okay, very good. Now, let's read. What does Julie say?
Are you okay?
Okay, very good. So easy, huh? Next, Tom. It's okay. Number.
15.
13. This one?
Let.
Okay. Finish the sentence. Oh, very easy. Finish the sentence.
My hand.
My hand what? My hand? Very good. My hand hurts. Wow. Next. Number,
25.
okay, let's say 15. Not 20.
15.
Very good. Okay, let's take a look. Kian, in the picture, who needs help? Sam, the woman, or Emma? Who needs help? Sam, Emma, or the woman?
Ai cần giúp đỡ?
Who needs help?
Ai cần
Mommy.
giúp đỡ?
This one?
Mommy.
This one, Ken?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Final answer? Let's check.
Yes.
Oh no. It's Emma. This one is Emma. Emma is the one who needs help because her leg hurts. Oh no. It's okay. Next. Number, Tom. Choose a number. Choose a number. Number. What number? It's
16.
six. At this one, 16. Okay. Oh, very easy.
Oh,
What
no.
does?
Oh
Oh,
no.
very good. Oh no, very easy, lemon squeezy. Next, Ken. What number, Ken? Choose a number.
22.
Okay, again, 12. Not 20.
12. Con vừa
Okay.
làm được câu dừng.
Oh, what is our value? What is our value? Do you still remember?
I times
Huh?
times.
Do you still remember? Oh, okay. I will give you
Có phải của con không?
the some choices and you will choose an answer. Okay. This
Emma.
one. So choose in this one. B.
Emma.
Wait, let me just check.
Danny. Danny. Danny là con gái à?
Okay.
Danny.
B.
Mà này.
B. Okay. What is the answer? Be fair, be kind, or be happy?
Be happy.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure this is the value or
Be
the less?
happy.
Final answer?
Be happy.
Be happy?
Yes.
Okay. Based on the picture, is it be happy?
Yes.
Okay. Let's check. We will check.
Yes.
Oh no, it's be kind. Okay, be kind. So the value that we will learn in this lesson is be kind. Okay, so Ken, when we say be kind, it is being kind to other people. Like for this one, they are being kind to Emma. Okay, shh, no, Tom, don't make fun of Ken. It's okay. Next, choose a number. 18. I'll finish the sentence. Very
What's
easy.
wrong?
Okay, what's wrong? And for the last number, oh, so easy also.
My finger.
Finger,
Yes.
finger.
Yes.
Read the whole sentence. My
My
finger.
finger hurts.
Okay, very good. Oh, it's a tie. It's a tie. It's a tie. It's a tie.
Cái đi.
Okay, do you want to review the story again? Do you want to review? Do you want to play again?
Bây học xong. Bây giờ. Dẹp.
Yes?
Dẹp. Bây
Bạn
giờ
có
bây
muốn
học
chơi
xong.
lại không?
Do you want to play? No, na, no. Okay. Yes.
No.
No. Okay. Okay, so very good. So well done to the both of you, Tom and Ken. So just remember that the story or in our story here, the value that we will learn is being kind. So when we say being, no, we're still not finished. We still have 10 minutes. We still, Shh, we still have 10 minutes. Oh no, we still have 10 minutes. But yeah, so being kind. Okay. Okay, listen to teacher. Being kind, it means that we are being kind to other people. So remember to be kind, okay? Tom and Ken. Okay, okay. Okay, so now let's start. Since you don't want to, your phone is muted, I think. Teacher can't hear you. Tom and Ken, teacher can't hear you. Teacher. Oh, Tom, that's bad, huh? Tom, don't do that.
Giáo viên không nghe thấy em nói.
Don't do that. Why are you spitting your saliva? Okay. So open your mic. I think it's off. How about Ken? Ken, open your mic. Ken. Ken. Okay, so don't do that, Tom, huh? It's bad. Don't spit your
Nó nghỉ đi.
huh?
Ơi, chờ cần nghỉ đi.
Shh, no,
Chơi gì đi chơi.
no. We're not playing to fight, huh? Okay, so
Nó chưa bảo
since we are finished with our lesson 3, so we will start
Dương
our
thối
new
việc
lesson. Shh, listen,
Dương thối việc
listen.
lớp biệt lớp.
So noisy.
Hay quá thối như con chó. Hay thôi.
You're so noisy.
Thằng ấy như kiểu con gái ấy.
Listen to teacher. I will tell this to your mothers, huh?
Cô đưa đi.
Ken? Ken. It's not funny. Mm.
Không có lá
Okay.
à.
Shh. Okay, so now let's start our new lessons. So we have lesson 4, which is the senses. Okay. So we will talk about the senses in our new lesson for today. So when we say senses, Tom and Ken, so the senses are the way our body gathers
Cô xong
information.
chưa? Cô ơi cô cho con nghỉ đi trời.
Ken, your brother is so noisy.
Các giác quan là cách cơ thể chúng ta thu thập thông tin.
Your brother is so noisy.
Đi xuống lại. Từ từ.
Anh trai, em trai của bạn ồn ào quá.
Shh. We cannot start our lesson if you are so noisy. Shh. Wait. Okay. So again, so when we say senses, listen, Tom, don't make faces. Oh no. Oh no. I will Okay. I will remove you in this meeting if you don't listen to teacher.
Đúng rồi, bố hay đánh cho nó một
Em
trận.
ra khỏi buổi học này nếu em không nghe lời giáo viên.
Okay. Listen. Okay. Okay, again.
Nó nghỉ đi.
Huh? I cannot understand you.
Nó
Okay.
giỏi ấy. Nó ảnh
Stop.
hưởng đến việc học của con.
Okay.
Đến việc học của con.
No. I will mute you both. Okay. Let me just mute you first so that you will listen. Okay. Okay. So again, so for this lesson, we are talking about the senses. And when we say senses, so it is the way our body gathers information. For example, we have eyes. So eyes. So what does our eyes do? So our eyes can see. So that is our first senses or first sense. So our sense of sight. Shh. So noisy. Teacher is not happy, huh?
Đúng.
Ken. Your brother.
Nhìn thấy chưa? Lúc nãy nó
Oh
còn
no.
bị-
You want to continue the lesson next
Đó
time?
là-
Huh? Because you're not listening.
Nó đây vui. Nó vừa
Ken,
kìa.
I will tell this to your mother, huh?
Tí nữa bố xử lý nó. Xử lý cách nào được kìa. Mình đã cười nhầm. Xử lý nào thế nào được? Mình có bát sơn mà. Đúng rồi, sợ cái gì? Sợ cái gì kìa? Sợ cái quái gì? Ai chẳng sợ đâu.
No. Okay. So I think since both of you don't want to listen, you want to listen to teacher? Okay. Oh, I think you're not noisy anymore. Okay. So again, so for our first sense, we have the sense of sight. So we can see through our eyes.
Eyes.
Yes, very good. Eyes.
Nó
So
lại nói tại chỉ tôi kìa.
we can see through our eyes. So let's
Đúng.
learn more about
Nó-
of those senses that we have. Okay, let's first check our next slide. Oh, let's watch a video. Okay, wait. Let me just open the video.
Hello, everybody. This is Julie. What can she feel? She can feel the snow. She's cold. But is she happy? Yes, she is. She likes the snow. This is John. He has a hat. What can he hear? He can hear music. Is he sad? No, he's happy. He likes music. This is Sam. He's hungry. But what can he see? He can see cake. Is he happy? Yes, he is. He can taste the cake. Look at the children. Are they thirsty? Yes, they are. But what can they see? They can see milk. Look at the boys and girls. What can they smell? They can smell plants and flowers. It's fun in the garden. Now look at the boys and girls. Are they tired? Yes, they are. It's nap time.
Okay, so that's it for our video about the senses. Okay, so again, when we say senses, it is the way we gather information about the world around us or the things around us. So now let's take a look at this one. Tom and Ken, do you know what is this? Do you know what is this? What is the girl touching? What's the girl touching? Tom and Ken, what's the girl touching? What's the girl touching?
Cô bé đang chạm vào cái gì?
What's the girl touching?
Người
It's a snowman. Okay. Okay, so Tom and Ken, I think it's the end of our lesson. So we'll just continue this lesson next time. Okay? Okay, so make sure to listen to teacher next time, okay? Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. See you again soon. Bye-bye, bye-bye.